हरप्रीत, आपका सबसे बड़ा कंसर्न क्या है when it comes to teenagers or young adults using the internet?
I think the thing that all parents should realize and is that when you give a phone to a child, right? Not only do you give, मतलब आप बच्चों को दुनिया का एक्सेस नहीं दे रहे, आप दुनिया को अपने बच्चे का एक्सेस भी दे रहे हैं, है ना? वो रियलाइजेशन शायद नहीं रहती, और मुझे लगता है कि उसमें बच्चा कहीं भी जा सकता है. इंटरनेट बहुत वाइड है, बहुत वाइड है. इट इज वाइडर देन व्हाट ऑल ऑफ अस नो अबाउट इट. इसलिए मुझे जेन्युइन लगता है व्हाट मेटा हैज डन एंड हैविंग दीज कंट्रोल्स, ये जेन्युइनली इंपॉर्टेंट है. एंड फॉर माई ओन फैमिली, लाइक फॉर माई चाइल्ड टू से कि अगर मेरे पास फ़ोन है तो ये मेरा फ़ोन है और आप नहीं देख सकते, और ये मेरी इंटरनेट हिस्ट्री है, यू कांट सी इट, इज अनएक्सेप्टेबल टिल 16 years of age.
मैं एक स्पेसिफिक भी पूछना चाहता हूँ, काफ़ी बच्चों की ऑनलाइन बुलिंग भी होती है, एंड आई मीन बैक इन द डे व्हेन वी बीन वर्किंग विद इंस्टाग्राम एंड मेटा फॉर अ वेरी लॉन्ग टाइम, एंड आवर पॉलिसी पार्टनर यूज्ड टू काइंड ऑफ एजुकेट अस अबाउट कितने सारे टूल्स हैं उनके लिए भी, बट हाउ शुड यू एज अ पेरेंट talk about this with your children? How do you understand this? किस तरीके से आप ऐसे माइनफील्ड को, ऑनलाइन सेफ्टी कंसर्न्स को अपने बच्चे से डिस्कस करोगे if they're already on the internet and you don't know what to do in a situation like that?
पहला तो like example that comes to my mind, parent who came to me, they came on a Sunday morning, we sat on the lawn and they brought their daughter 15 years old and they said कि ये ऑनलाइन शॉपिंग ही करती रहती है, लाइक इसके पढ़ने के दिन है ये है, बट ये ऑनलाइन शॉपिंग ही कर रही है ऑल समय, तो क्या करें. और मैंने फिर उससे पूछा लड़की से कि आपको क्या लगता है जो वो बोल रहे हैं वो ठीक है? तो उसने बोला हाँ, जो वो बोल रहे हैं वो ठीक है, मैं खुद को नहीं कंट्रोल कर पाती, एडिक्शन है. एंड आई सेड यार, आप कितनी ब्यूटीफुल स्पेस में हो एज अ फैमिली कि आप इसके बारे में बात कर पा रहे हो, कि आपकी बेटी आपके साथ आने के लिए तैयार है इसके बारे में बात करने के लिए. एंड दैट इज द सिचुएशन एक पेरेंट को अपने बच्चे के साथ रखनी है, राइट? दैट इज व्हाट इज रिक्वायर्ड. और बहुत ही छोटी छोटी चीजों से ये जाती है. एक पेरेंट ने मुझे लिखा कि मेरे घर पे एक लड़की आई थी, आई थिंक 4-4.5 साल की, वाइट फ्रॉक पहन के आई थी, एंड वो खेल रही थी तो उसके बेटे ने मिट्टी में ऐसे कर दिया तो बेटी की फ्रॉक पे मिट्टी लग गई और वो जोर जोर से रोने लग गई. तो बोले क्या हुआ? बोले मम्मी बोलेगी कि तुमने फ्रॉक गंदी कर दी, एंड के बोले नहीं, मैं आपकी मम्मी को बोल दूंगी कि आपने गंदी नहीं की, खेलते खेलते हो गई. बोली नहीं, मम्मी मुझे डांटेगी. तो दिस गर्ल जो अभी 4.5 साल की है, उसको पता है कि जाके मैं अपनी मम्मी से ये बात नहीं कर सकती, ये नहीं बोल सकती कि फ्रॉक गंदी हो गई. कल को इफ somebody let's say touches that girl inappropriately, वो जाके अपने माँ बाप को नहीं बताएगी. नाउ आई एम सेइंग, हम फिजिकली बात कर रहे हैं, ऑनलाइन उस लड़की को अगर कोई बुली करेगा तो वो लड़की जाके घर पे नहीं बताएगी क्योंकि वो स्पेस नहीं है. तो इर्रिस्पेक्टिव ऑफ कौन से कहाँ पे हैं आप, अगर आपका बच्चा ज्यादा इंटरनेट देख रहा है, द ओनली वे फॉर यू टू सॉल्व इट इज कि आपको अपने बच्चे के साथ वो कनेक्शन लाना पड़ेगा. बट अगर वो एफर्ट आप आज नहीं लगाओगे,
बिल्कुल,
देन आई थिंक देन यस, थिंग्स विल ओनली गो डाउनहिल फ्रॉम देयर.
So well said. Suha, you've spoken about digital concerns and privacy on your podcast, and you've actually asked this question to others, so I'm asking the same to you, because you've said that there is, especially being in the public eye, coming from an illustrious family, there's paparazzi and media always looking at you, always looking at your child ever since she was born. Now that you're able to have conversations with your daughter, आप क्या बात करते हो उससे to explain this situation? How do you have a conversation about online safety, privacy with your daughter who doesn't have an option but has been born into the public eye and visibility?
Yeah, I like talking. I like conversations. I like explaining everything to her. And I feel कि जब से she started talking, we have conversations, and she's very mature in so many ways. Or maybe that's just, if you give children that benefit, they all have that ability. Yeah. So of course, when she was very young, they were taking pictures. The concern was the flash hurts their eyes. So it was like, please, can you not use the flash? ऐसे थोड़ा डर जाते हैं. But फिर मैंने notice किया कि घर पे भी हम सब उनकी फोटो ही लेते हैं. सब बचपन से हर बच्चा एक सेलिब्रिटी होता है. So they're used to people taking their photos all the time. बस उनको ये पता नहीं ये दादा दादी नहीं है. Then I explained to Inaya कि they're taking your photograph because you come from a public family. यहाँ पे there are lots of actors, some cricketers, so they are interested in you because you're from a famous family. इसीलिए वो आपकी तस्वीर ले रहे हैं. लेकिन आप इसमें ज़्यादा ध्यान न दीजिए क्योंकि आपने कुछ नहीं किया है. तो आगे जाके जैसे आप अपने जिम्नास्टिक्स में आपको गोल्ड मेडल मिला. That's your achievement. So you're famous at your LEAP institution because you got a gold medal. That is an achievement that you should be proud of. You should not be attaching too much importance to this. She's now 8. So now she's starting to attach. Every child enjoys being popular, enjoys being the center of attention. तो मैं भी I notice in Inaya, वो कहती कुछ नहीं है लेकिन उसको अच्छा लगता है. कहीं ना कहीं अच्छा तो लगता है. Then I told her, you know, they're taking our photo, Kunal and me. Yeah. They're not. Then she said, but when you get like, you're not in the frame. They're following me. So they're interested in me, not you. So I was like, ab kya bolu main? So I said, okay, now don't at fame. This comes and goes. Please focus on other things. Popularity. I've grown up in a family where there was no paparazzi, but people were interested in my family, in my parents. And as a result, interested in who I was by relation to them. Yeah. You can't get too caught up in that. So, you know, you keep your experiences wide. You travel, climb a mountain, then realize how small you are, study history. Then you realize how insignificant you are. Everybody's going to forget about you. You're going to die. Yeah. It's really, nothing is that important. So don't get caught up in these things and we have these conversations all the time. The other day, of course, she was yelling at me when we came out of food hall. And this was all on camera. Okay. And I like this impression that we're this well-balanced family. You know, we're all normal.
Real family.
Yeah, real family. And then I came out and she was going, cha, 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 cha. I was just like, And then we got in the car and I wanted to show her this and say, see, this is how you're going to look. You're yelling at me. And there were so many comments. Some people are saying it's authentic. This is what people are like. And some people are saying, what kind of family is this? And this daughter is talking to the mother like this and she's allowing her to talk to her like this. The idea was, I said, whatever we do in public should also happen in private. Okay. This is how we are in private. Yeah. She does yell at me at times. At times I yell at her also. Yeah. Then she apologizes to me, I apologize to her. Yeah. And my lesson to her also should be the same in front of the cameras as it is off camera.
I absolutely agree, and I want to talk a little bit more about the comments thing, because that comes into trolling and I want to talk about trolling. Yeah. But when you said that there are, cameras are not only looking at you, they're looking at me and you happen to be there. I know within your own family, when your brother had Taimur, he was literally the reason people were taking pictures, you know.
He was trending before he opened his eyes.
Can you imagine?
Yeah.
Has your daughter ever brought a concern to you or Kunal which you've had to address, and how did you address it?
I try and address it with facts as much as possible. Okay. So for example, more than being famous, she's not so interested in films. Yeah. But she's interested in being a princess. So she said, am I a princess or not? Because you're apparently a princess, but you've not married a prince. So am I a princess? Just tell me that. And everyone in my class says you're a princess and you have a palace. Wow. So I said, now how do I handle this? So we had a history lesson where I said, in 1971, there was Indira Gandhi and princely titles were abolished. And technically, Mamu was born a prince. Even I was not born a princess, but I feel like I have some claim to royalty. Now, whether that's been diluted by my marrying Kunal, I don't know. And how much of that you have, in slightly simpler words, we had this conversation. But I said that I, again, wouldn't hold on to this title of being a princess. But you have a lineage, which is important. But again, have some achievements of your own. You're only 8 at this point. But that was good enough. I think she's held on to the fact that she still thinks she's a princess.
A parent once wrote to me saying that my daughter thinks she's a princess. In your case, there's actually a real thing.
I was thinking every child who has seen Frozen probably thinks they're a princess.
Absolutely. So, you know what that mother did?
What did she do?
Mother said, yeah, I agree. But you know, princesses, they have such a great voice. Do you want to learn how to sing? Only then you can be a princess. So the girl went to singing classes, now sings very well. So the mom said,
So you use it for your benefit.
Yeah, you use it for your benefit.
Yeah.
And I thought that was very cool for the parents.
ये तो है कि प्रिंसेस लॉकी खाती है हाँ भाई ठीक है फिर ठीक है फिर अब खिलाओ लॉकी आप
हाँ कि princesses तो चिल्लाते नहीं है. They don't use bad language.
You are a princess if you follow these rules.
प्रिंसेस आर्ट्स नहीं पढ़ती
Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to like, subscribe and share.